WorkSharp WS3000 Benchtop Woodworking Tool Sharpener is a versatile and efficient tool that caters to the needs of carpenters and joiners. With its true flat glass wheel and a variety of abrasive discs, this sharpener provides razor-sharp edges to chisels, lathe tools, plane irons, spoke shaves, and carving tools. The sharpening port eliminates the need for jigs, offering precise and repeatable bevel angle settings for different tools. The powerful 1/5 horsepower motor with 580 RPM speed ensures fast sharpening without damaging heat, thanks to routed airflow and a heatsink cooling system. The low RPM wheel maintains speed regardless of load, providing consistency in sharpening. The package includes a range of accessories, and you can attach various abrasive discs to the wheels for different grits, making it easy to transition between tasks. One user expressed initial skepticism due to a German instruction manual but found the diagrams easy to understand. After sharpening 16 chisels and various plane irons, the user was impressed with the tool's efficiency. Another user, engaged in restoring hand planes and chisels, highlighted the WorkSharp WS3000 as a time-saving solution, especially for a large number of tools. They mentioned the need for a makeshift platform for honing guides and a simple dust containment system. However, some users found limitations in the WorkSharp system. One mentioned the challenge of sharpening lathe tools, and though they attempted to create their own jigs, they eventually opted for Tormek accessories. The cost of additional jigs from Tormek led to a significant increase in the overall investment, making them reconsider the affordability of the WorkSharp system for broader sharpening needs. In conclusion, the WorkSharp WS3000 Benchtop Woodworking Tool Sharpener is recommended for basic sharpening needs, offering efficiency and ease of use. However, users should be aware of potential additional costs for accessories if looking to expand its capabilities for sharpening a wider range of tools.